Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, GPU access or cloud credits, and the updated generator build. Load your reference image if you have one, then pick model size and style presets. Once done, enter a clear prompt and set a seed for reproducibility. Make sure to choose sampling steps and guidance scale to control fidelity. Start with conservative strength values around 0.5 for edits, and run a quick preview pass so you can adjust before committing to a full render. Now refine the mid-process controls to shape results. You should iterate prompts, adding positive detail and negative exclusions to avoid artifacts. Use transitional words to clarify intent. Then tweak CFG guidance, sampling method, and denoising to balance creativity versus accuracy. For complex scenes, run a base pass, then a detail pass using higher steps, and finally a color correction pass. Make sure to compare runs, save promising seeds, and gradually increase fidelity only when composition and lighting look right. Finish by upscaling and exporting with ICC profile if needed. Choose PNG for web or TIFF/PSD for further edits. Once done, inspect edges, faces, and fine details. If you spot artifacts, reduce guidance scale or increase sampling steps by 10 to 20% and retry. If color shifts occur, enable color preservation or run a color correction pass. Make sure to save the final seed and exact settings so you can reproduce or roll back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.